Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating a C# project and designing the UI. Choose WinForms for simplicity or WPF for richer visuals. Wire up buttons with clear names like BTN0 through BTN9, BTN add, BTN equals, and a single-line display text box. Once done, implement a shared click handler for digits so you avoid repeated code, and set the text box to read-only to prevent invalid typing. This makes input predictable and simplifies state. Now implement how input and operations interact. When a digit is clicked, append it to the display, but prevent meaningless leading zeros. You maintain 3 key variables: current value, pending operator, and new operand flag. This lets you decide whether to replace or append the display. For operators, either perform immediate execution, apply pending operator to current value and parse display, or use a simple shunting yard for precedence. Make sure to update new operand so the next digit starts a fresh number. Finish by coding the equals behavior to apply any pending operator, parse the display safely, and display a rounded result where appropriate. Use double. Try parse to avoid crashes. Handle edge cases. If dividing by 0, show a message and reset state. If parsing fails or overflow occurs, clear input and inform the user. Once complete, add keyboard input for digits and operators, and implement clear and backspace so user corrections are fast and intuitive. This improves usability dramatically.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.